Alright everybody, here is a Foxbody. It is a pace car, factory sunroof car. Looks like a pretty solid car, going for a full restoration. Very little rust. These things are known to rust, you know, on the hatches and the front rails. Engine bay is not bad. It's got a little bit starting, but we're gonna get all that cleaned up. A little bit of damage on that core support right there, but should be a nice car once it's done. I'll check back in after get through blasting the first round. We'll see what it looks like.